morning, Runner company, Shenzhen. And here, this is our product, wireless Wi-Fi, car DVR, rear view mirror. Briefly, I'm going to introduce our product to you. And this product, rear view mirror, work with vehicle and very easy way to connect. Low cost, no workmanship. And here, these are the components, the parts. This is the DVR mirror. DVR mirror work with the connector, and this is the two connector. Always connect at the back. I will show you later. And here we have USB connector. This USB connector with the car charging points. And here we have the antenna and the wireless, everything together with the camera. And here, this is the Wi-Fi easier way sender, very easy. And this is an antenna connect together with the wireless Wi-Fi. And here, this is the sensitive camera, and this is automatically, and it can work so fast and very easy to connect as well. And here, this is the tester. The tester to connect the power, to test the power, rather to test the power, to know the lighting points. How to connect this product? Very easy. Firstly, you need to fix the connector at the back of the DVR mirror, and then you need to hang it up. Hang it up, easy way to hang. You take your time easily. You hang it up. Yes. After hanging up, you need to connect the USB cable to the mirror. Very easy. You just connect. You fix. And here, this is the car charger points. Must be connected together. And yes, you click, you connect, and when you click, you can see the camera is showing already. Okay, the mirror is showing, and here the antenna together. You connect the antenna together with the camera, and here you connect. Just connect each way, and after that, this cable connector, positive and negative. You see, positive must go with the positive, and you just connect easy way and faster way. Just connect. Yes, and after connecting, you need to fix to the power. So when you fix, you turn it on small, and you can see the camera is working already. And these parts, after fixing, you need to connect here. Just connect and you turn it a little bit. Just turn it a little bit, as you can see, and the camera is okay.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.